Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Today I want to talk about one more multiplayer topic. What we have to discuss today. You have in variables two methods you can replicate, and you can click on replicate, or you can click on something it calls RepNotify. So, what does replicate exactly? It set your variable on the client. So if you want to have a variable, something is opened or something is ready or something else the client can use it, you can use replicated for that. It's very fast, very strong. One more examples, a health bar is a good example for replicated. Ammunition and magazines, score and matches, all of that things you can do extremely performant and easy with Replicated. On the other hand, we have RepNotify. RepNotify does the same as Replicated, but one more thing. If you set any variable of RepNotify, it will create a function. The function will called OnRep underscore and the name of the variable. And this function will start after the notify. So the server changes anything and then the function starts. So far so good. So what are examples you could use RepNotify instead of replicated? So let us assume your player died. His health point goes on 0 or below 0. So he's deaf. So RepNotify gives you the ability to start after his health point goes down 0 or exactly 0, start the death animation and some sound effects. This you can't do with only replicated. There you have to start an RPC for that. Another great example is you switch weapons. So after RepNotify had changed the weapon index, maybe this is your logic, then you can start the animation for the changing 3D model and the equip of the weapon. Another great example, doors. If you want to open a door, so maybe you can RepNotify the state is open and change it to true. And then you start the opening animation on every client. And this you could do with RepNotify very easily. Let me bring some more example. Let us imagine a chest, a treasure chest. So we try it first with replicated. So the server set is open to true. Now the client knows that the chest is open, but he not can see the chest is open because we only set this variable. If we did the same thing with RepNotify, the server said is open true, and now our function OnRep underscore is open start direct the animation or the particle effect or anything you have when your chest will open. So it's very important for you to think when you have to use an RPC with a multicast to make things over all spans and when you have to do RepNotify. If you want to go with an RPC, you only should do that if the calculations have to do on the server, so it's perfectly, and not on every client to prevent different outputs of the calculation. So, yeah, I think It's a short video, but I think it's very important information about RepNotify and Replicated, and some things about the RPC logic. So yeah, I hope you learned something about it. I hope you liked it. If you're not on our Discord until now, I would love to see you there. And if you're not, make subscribe. Maybe you want to do it now. Yeah. See ya.